Well, let's assume that I know nothing about you and that Bob told me all about you, and I want to hear what we're creating. How would you start that conversation?
Great question. If you were starting fresh, I'd say we're building a system to help you get in front of more people so you can build relationships, earn listings, and make sure no opportunity slips through the cracks. My job is to organize everything around each property and neighborhood, automate the busy work, and keep your follow up consistent so you can focus on the human side, meeting people, negotiating, and closing deals. What part of that mission feels most important to you right now?
Getting in front of people. How is it that we're going to get in front of more people?
The main way is by turning every listing into a neighborhood engine. That means signs and open houses, walking the closest 500 homes with personal flyers, reaching the surrounding 5,000 homes with targeted messages, and coordinating calls, texts, emails, and postcards all tracked in one place. I help automate the outreach and follow up so you spend less time chasing and more time meeting. Is there a specific type of outreach that you feel works best for you, or do you want to try a mix?
I would like to try a mix. I mean, I would like to see which one works better, and then, of course, spend more time and money on the one that works the best, is most efficient.
That makes sense. We can start with a mix: flyers, calls, texts, emails, postcards, and track which ones actually lead to conversations and appointments. I'll keep notes on every touch so we can see patterns and double down on what's working. Do you want me to focus on tracking just the initial outreach or also the follow up and longer term relationship building?
It's really important that you do the follow up and long term, because that's one of the things that most of us fail at in this business is that follow up for future customers.
Absolutely. Follow up and long term relationship building are where a lot of opportunities get lost. I'll make sure every touch, note, and reminder is organized in the CRM so nobody slips through the cracks even months or years later. That way, you stay top of mind and can turn future interest into real appointments. Is there a certain way you like to keep in touch with past clients or leads over the long term, or are you open to trying new approaches?
Always open. I mean, the basics of email and text messaging and the occasional call, or snail mail, putting something in their mailbox, even a brick. That's good too.
That's a solid mix: email, text, calls, and even something physical like snail mail or a small gift. I can help coordinate all those touches and remind you when it's time to reach out, so nothing gets missed. We'll keep track of what gets the best response and adjust as we go. Is there anything about your personal style, how you connect or follow up, that you want to make sure never gets lost as we scale this system?
Well, we just want to be sure that everyone knows that we are the knowledge base. We're here to help you negotiate the best deal and protect your interests, because that is our job.
That's key. Your reputation as the go to expert and protector is what sets you apart. As we scale, I'll make sure every interaction, whether it's a call, text, or flyer, reminds people that you're their resource for negotiation and looking out for their interests. The system can help automate the touches, but the message stays personal and relationship first. What would make you feel like this system is truly earning its keep for you and the team?
Well, getting those people to call us and say, I've been getting your stuff for months. Come on over and meet me in person, and let's list my house for sale.
That's the ultimate win when people reach out because they remember you, trust you, and want to meet face to face. I'll focus on keeping your follow up steady and personal so your name stays top of mind and those calls start coming in. Every touch point will be tracked so we know what's working and can keep improving.